Hey friends, if you wish to fix Bing Wallpaper app not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So before anything else, search for store in the Windows search bar and go to Microsoft Store. Now search for Bing Wallpaper and hit enter. Go to the Bing Wallpaper app and install it. Now, why do I say this? Because people assume that the Bing Wallpaper app is already installed on their system. It's a Microsoft product, but it is not. So you will have to install it, and after installing it, you will be able to use it. Okay, you can go to the Bing Wallpaper app and you can select the option to try it. So this is how it works. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.